Good morning. Day 2 on this patio job. Some things are a little frosty, but that sun's getting it melted down, Ben, huh?
Yeah. A little wet.
Gonna be, I think, like 55 today, Benny. So we're here to finish excavation for the patio, start backfilling. We're gonna get into it right when I get out of Ben's way. Sorry, bud.
All right, bud.
For those of you that are joining me now and didn't see the video before this one, we started excavation yesterday, mapped it all out, and came up with the plan. So if you want to know about the plan, check out the video before. As of now, we're just going to continue digging to all the lines that you see where we're at. That's where we mapped it out yesterday. But a lot of stones, rocks in this fill. So it's good. It's kind of tough to, makes it a little bit tougher to dig, but it's actually good for the subsoil because it's very permeable. It's just kind of sand and gravel, so any kind of water that may get underneath the patio is just going to permeate down into the ground, which is always a thumbs up. This whole area by the septic is pretty much all set, except where Benny's cleaning up these scraps. We got a load of fill. That's going to be load number 5. 4 yesterday, 1 so far today. We're probably going to get at least another 2 out of here. So maybe end total of 7 loads, 3 to 3.5 yards each. So 21, 25 yards of fill we're going to end up taking out of here. Gim, you're such a crybaby, man. Why are you always crying again? Huh? You're supposed to be a big, tough Rottweiler. I freaking love that dog. Gimli, like the dwarf in the Lord of the Rings. He's a long-haired Rottweiler. So this is what I've been doing, guys. I have an area in the backyard here. When I moved into this place, this was all trees. I cut them all down. We pulled all the roots, graded it, and just been lifting it up with fill little by little to try to get to a point where all I need to drop down a tier will be like a sitting wall height. That way I can build a natural stone sitting wall with a cap and then have a tier down and just have that all slope off. So little by little, bring the fill back and make that happen. Stockpiling stones for that wall. Got a bunch of nice ones over here. So that's all you can do when you're a homeowner if you're not able to just kind of have contractors come in and do it. You just pick a project to do and you get into it, get it done little by little, one step at a time, and that's what we're doing. So that's going to end the excavation part. We're going to go back to the job, get that hole dug, a few more loads of fill taken out, but that's going to be enough content from the excavation. If you hadn't seen the video before this one, we had a full day of excavation yesterday, so check that video out. Hit the like and subscribe if you enjoyed it to see a lot more videos like this. But we'll see you guys back there once we get dug and we get it to the point where we're ready for backfill. If you're still with me on this video, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you check out this playlist right here for all the videos from this job, and hit that subscribe button and check out the channel for a lot of other content just like this one. Thank you all. God bless. Peace.